साला टोन चेंज हो रहा है. On your right. On your right.
हो गया मैम
हे झालं का तुमचं? हे झालं का विनोद? यहाँ पे देखिए.
मैम हियर
ये जरा.
Okay guys, thank you for the photos. Okay.
Just one picture with mother now.
Sure. Ma'am.
आई बाबा बेटा बीट यस
लेना भाई.
मैम इकडे
मैम ये राइट कॉर्नर. एक्सक्यूज मी. मैम.
Nice little softer. The class is happening.
Thank you.
How big jewelry lover are you?
I'm a big jewelry fan. So, and I make, I especially love the rings, so I love the big statement rings.
How do you see jewelry? Which jewelry are your favorite? Or gems you can say?
I love rubies, diamonds of course, and emerald. These are my favorite.
Why Zoya?
Zoya, I mean, I've heard of Zoya a lot, and my friends love Zoya, and they had recommended me. And today I just thought, wow, what a coincidence. Today I had a day off from my shoot, and I thought, wow, well done. Let me just go to Zoya today.
So, any jewelry related memory do you have any?
See, for women, every woman has a jewelry related memory, starting from her engagement and her wedding, and starting from her birth even. I mean, when a girl is born, a mother, father, they give some kind of a bracelet and stuff. Lakshmi hota hai, Dhanteras hota hai. So it's always some of the other jewelry. So women and jewelry go a long way.
So, today are you looking forward for any jewelry or something? You
I
want to
am
take
excited
home?
to see the collection, so let's have a look.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Once again, everyone is appreciated on Delhi वाली ठाकुर गर्ल, but हमें जो सुनने में आ रहा है कि आप इसे छोड़ना चाहती हैं.
जी.
Because but बहुत ही हर कोई वो शो बहुत ही पसंद करता है. कोई खास वजह any particular reason?
देखिए अभी तक मैंने जो भी शोज़ किए हैं बहुत चैलेंजिंग शोज़ किए हैं. ढूंढने की मंजिल हमें से लेके, टोटल सियापा से लेके, हला बोल में एक कॉप, जिंदगी विंस में एक डॉक्टर. तो जब मुझे बोला गया था कि ये 5 सिस्टर्स की कहानी है, आई वॉज एक्साइटेड बिकॉज इट वॉज समथिंग डिफरेंट कि मैं कर रही थी. लेकिन बोला था हर डॉटर का एक अलग सा ट्रैक होगा. Somewhere down the line मुझे वो creative satisfaction नहीं मिल रही थी. So I spoke to the producers and I thought कि एक शो की वजह से I'm stuck here. I can go back to London, meet my family. I wanted to do that as well and maybe look for another good shows. So I told them, look, I'm just getting stuck here. So let's just part in nice way. So they said, okay, fine. If this is what, and if I don't feel like working, so they didn't want to force me. They said, आपका दिल जहाँ पे भी है, that's what we can do. So we nicely sort of parting, and I'm like sort of going out from the show. So that's good.
Also, today she looking very beautiful. What are you wearing today?
Today I'm wearing Babita Malkani's collection. Babita Malkani is a very dear friend, and the best part about her collection is that she does a lot of drapes, and I love drapes. So
Shahrukh Khan is there today, so
yes.
what do you like to say about it?
I'm very excited, heard a lot about her, never met her, first time meeting, and I'm really thankful to God for giving me this opportunity of meeting her.
And lots of TV actors entering in Bollywood industry and doing a very well.
They're doing, sorry?
कई सारे टीवी एक्टर जो है बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में आ रहे हैं और डेब्यू कर रहे हैं और बहुत ही अच्छा कर रहे हैं. एनी फ्यूचर प्लान्स, एनी बिग बजट मूवी?
I am looking at some scripts. I won't say anything right now, but I am looking at some script. And I would like to say to all the newcomers, please don't call yourselves strugglers. I want them to call themselves challengers. So that way they can, be more motivated. And there's a lot of opportunity out there. Everybody has their own space. So best of luck and just believe in yourself.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Beautiful with the accessories. You could have some beautiful floral embellishment with your hair, hair in the way hers is done. So I put a twist and a little bit of an interesting bun and then add some flowers to it. And if it's wet tone, I think just keep it simple as far as hair goes, and the outfit goes as simple isn't appropriate. But for the evening, it's quite versatile because you could dress it. Do not wear something that you can't understand. Like if you feel even the slightest bit that you can't carry it off, don't wear it because it just looks wrong. It looks forced, and when it's forced, then it shows. And when you're uncomfortable wearing something and you don't understand it, it looks ugly. No matter how beautiful the garment is, it might be the most beautiful Valentino gown, or the most stunning Abusali lehenga, or a tiny Sheila dress. I mean, if you feel you can't carry it off, don't wear it. It's really important to understand and put your own into what you wear. Basically own what you wear actually. Style is actually a form of expression, and if you can't express yourself with what you're wearing or contribute to it, then just avoid wearing it. Even if you're simple is better, less is more. So I have been, it's taken an effort to do it. So this is something like detail is something which I really feel. This gown has lace which is applied with a little bit of beading and sequins on a lace, which is a little bit of embellishment on it. So I mean, I create lace with plain net, like soft net, or use lace and just enhance it a little more. Or then when I stick to Indian embroideries, but simple, but yet very elegant.
Share a last question for you. Unless someone is, style icons in the city of Bombay and India, who would you say is doing it really, very, very right?
In terms of dressing,
clothes.
I work with all of these beautiful women and girls. I personally think that all of them are. I can speak about her first because she really has set this and a style quotient in Bollywood, because I feel like most of these blogs and things and this awareness of fashion in Bollywood has come out. Yeah.